Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters1Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is to use buttons. Next week's theme will be 4th of July. And so this week I am using this set from My Creative Time. Actually, everything is from My Creative Time today. Anyways, this set, which is ice cream and snow cones, and I'm using Relax, It's Your Birthday. Beach Gingers 2, and I'm using the blanket and the sunglasses and the ball. Garden Gingers 2, and I'm just using that hat there. Rectangle frame dies, and then the paper, which she released this week. So if you didn't get a chance to check out any of the release, you can go back on my videos and check those out, or any of the designers. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase. But cute release this month. Anyways, I'm using the Strawberry Blossom 2026. And this is the card that I created for you today. And I thought I would throw some buttons on the hat and on the beach ball. And I thought that was perfect. There goes Relax, It's Your Birthday. And I just kind of trimmed that out and popped it right onto the card. And I thought I would use that strawberry paper back there. Just really cute, looks relaxing. And then the sunglasses are in the inside of the card. But I thought that turned out really cute. If you have the chance, please go ahead and use those hashtags and show us what you're creating with buttons. And remember, next week's theme is 4th of July. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.